What's going on, everybody? Finally back with another video. It's just gonna be an update video today, but anyways, it's an update on, like, the main thing is we finally got the engine back, the old Chevy straight six, the 250. We got this thing back from the machine shop finally. We've got all the pieces we need back from the machine shop. So I just ordered, just a little while ago, I got all the parts ordered for it, all the, like, piston rings, rod bearings, camshaft, lifters, all that stuff. I got all that stuff ordered just a minute ago, and we got a few other parts we need to get from a separate place. And anyways, that's what's going on with the engine now. So in the next few days, hopefully, we can finally get the second part of this rebuild video up and get it made and have this engine up and running again finally. And what else is going on the channel? Well, we haven't made a video in like 3 weeks or something like that, but we've got some other things that's been going on, like quite a few things, more things we can hopefully add to the channel. I've got another four-wheeler video gonna be coming soon, or not like a riding video, but we actually went riding Saturday and I tore up my rim con. I destroyed the radiator. It's all bent up and crap. A stick smacked it right there and it bent it horribly, and I lost all my coolant and it was getting too hot. And also, something else new to the channel, I don't know if this is interesting or not, we got us an economy vehicle. If you can guess what it is before I show you, put it down in the comments. But here it is. I don't know if anyone knows what this is just from looking at the front, but we got a Toyota Prius. This thing is amazing. We got a pretty good deal on it. Don't have a tag yet, or it's got it coming. But we got us an economy car, 46 miles to the gallon. The interior is pretty nice, not amazing. Look, got our Zaxby's in here. It smells awful though for some reason. This thing is pretty neat. I like it. So we got us an economy vehicle, and also another big thing that we'll probably have some videos on here in the future. I bought this thing 3 weeks ago, I think, 2 or 3 weeks ago. But it's such a beautiful day out here. And look at the trees, the beautiful green trees. It's amazing. But yeah, I got something else that I haven't told anyone. No one but my family really knows, and some other people, but like some of you might be surprised at what I got. But almost to it. As most of you know, I think, I have a 753 Bobcat. It's a really nice machine. It's in pretty good shape for how old it is, and I really like this machine. It's been a really good machine, but it's small. It doesn't do just a lot. So about 2 weeks ago, I bought a track Bobcat. It's a 590 Bobcat, and I got this thing for a really good deal. I couldn't pass it up, and I've done a few jobs with it, but I got me a track Bobcat. This thing is just amazing. It's a great machine. It's got tracks, of course. Tracks help a ton. It weighs, let's see, that one weighs like 4,500 pounds. This one weighs almost 9,000 pounds. It's a huge difference in it. And this thing is like 15 times faster. But I got me another Bobcat. So that's two of them. I got the main one and the backup, or sometimes that's the main one, that's the backup. It doesn't matter. I got two of them. I like them both. But yeah, we got us a second Bobcat, everyone. So anyone that lives around me, that knows me, if y'all need Bobcat work done, I've got this Bobcat right here for smaller stuff. It does really good on smaller stuff, like smaller driveway jobs where I don't have to scrape any existing driveway. But this bad boy right here, I can do some major dirt work with this thing. Like, if you need a driveway put in that's never been there before, I can do it. It'll do all kind of stuff. It'll dig. I could dig you a pond if you wanted it. Not that it'd be the most efficient thing, but if you wanted to, I could dig a pond with this thing. So, if anyone that knows me and lives near me needs some Bobcat work done, y'all know, figure out a way to contact me, and Mike can do some work for you. But anyways, that's just an update video of everything we got going on. Also in the future, which we've had these, I don't know if they've been on the channel yet, but we've had these, but we've got some jet skis, so we might get some cool jet ski videos this summer. And I think that's it for this video. Hopefully that's a good enough catch-up video. Should have a good video coming up soon, hopefully a couple videos. We just need more inspiration. I guess that's the end of this video. I'll stop talking, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. So everyone, have a great day, and we'll catch you guys next time. See ya.